Hello, welcome back. Can you do this math challenge? They gave us 8 divided by 2 in the bracket 3 plus 1. Most people, they get answer equal to 1, which is wrong. They take 8 divided by 2. After that, they work in the bracket, that is 3 plus 1. They get that equal to 4. Then they continue doing here. They get 8 divided by 2 multiplied by 4. It is 8. They end up getting answer equal to 1, which is wrong. Let us do in the right way. We have division sign here. We have multiplication and addition. Since we have multiple signs, we are going to use PEMDAS, that is order of operations. According to PEMDAS, we are going to start with parentheses. So we are going to start here. That is going to be 8 divided by 2. 3 plus 1, it is 4. So in between here we have multiplication, multiplied by 4. According to PEMDAS, multiplication and division, they have the same priority, but since we are starting from left to right, we are going to start to divide 8 divided by 2. Then we're going to get 4. Then we're going to multiply by 4. At last, we are going to take 4 multiplied by 4. We get the answer equal to 16. And this is the correct answer. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on order of operation, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.